Hi, today I would like to talk about stock trading and specifically momentum stock trading. So let's get started with an example. So I have pulled in a chart for Nvidia and it's about end of December here. And as you can see, if I look at the 1 year chart, it has done very nicely and have given excellent returns for the investors. So the question to ask for any person who wants to get into such a trade would be, how do I identify a stock like Nvidia, say for 2017? So a couple of things you want to do is, in my experience, basically the stock will only rise if a lot of people are buying it. And a lot of people typically buy a stock if they buy into a story in terms of the value proposition from a company. For example, for Nvidia, it is expected to do well in the gaming world, virtual reality, and so on. And it is going to beat the competition. So the trick is that you want to buy a momentum stock which starts to move. So you really, when you try to buy a momentum stock, when you try starts to move, for example, you could have bought this stock around, I would say May June time frame, and if you held it with the rule that if it goes 20% down, you would sell it. You would basically be making a very nice profit here. And so the trick to buy into momentum stock is when it begins to move. So obviously you'll miss some of the gains, but you need to hold on to it for at least see the story come to an end. It must have a very, I guess, very powerful story to attract a lot of money managers, a lot of big investors. So Nvidia is a classic example of that. So in terms of momentum investing, this stock you could have actually done quite well if you had somehow realized that you could buy it around this time frame, because the gains from this point were very high as well, and you didn't have to hold the stock for that long. But it's going to be quite difficult to identify this position. So hopefully you have learned a little bit about momentum trading, and hopefully you can benefit from that in your own trading techniques. Share your thoughts on this video and let me know what you think. Thanks. Bye.